And viewers, breaking news coming in on Saif Ali Khan being attacked inside his Bandra residence. The cops have now said that there is no forced entry inside the Bandra house of Saif Ali Khan. The cops are puzzling if the suspect actually jumped from another building inside the residence and hence there is no CCTV footage of the accused in this case. The cops have come out. Remember, 15 teams are probing this incident with the Mumbai crime branch also being involved in it. The cops are now saying that the accused might have jumped from another building which is next to Saif Ali Khan's house and hence he was not perhaps caught in the CCTV footage. However, cops are probing and scanning the CCTV footage in the area. Meanwhile, Saif Ali Khan is out of danger. He was stabbed 6 times. My colleague Radhika Ramaswamy is right outside the Bandra residence where the attack took place. Radhika, take us through the details. We are hearing that police is now speculating that the suspect might have jumped from another building to enter Saif Ali Khan's house.
Yes, that is something that we've been saying since this morning, that he may have jumped from the neighboring building to gain entry into Saif Ali Khan's residence. But what exactly transpired is something that the Mumbai police officials are yet to tell us formally. But so far we are being given to understand is that intruder or was he given entry? Did he know anybody from Saif Ali Khan's residence? Because the police suspect that this individual may have been known to one of the staffers of Saif Ali Khan, which is why all the questions right now by the Mumbai police as well as Mumbai police crime branch. At least about a dozen teams are working on this particular case. Thankfully, Saif Ali Khan is out of danger. Sustained 6 wounds, 6 stab wounds, and there were multiple surgeries that were conducted, which is all concluded, and he's currently out of danger. He continues to be in the ICU is what the hospital authorities have told us. Of course, I've been standing here outside Sadhguru Sharan residence since this morning, and a lot of activities had been taking place. Forensics at the spot, sniffer dogs also, they were carrying out the investigation. CCTV footage were being examined. And staff members, neighbors, all of them being questioned. Of course, as you can see, this has led to a lot of traffic jam and congestion right outside his residence, as there is a lot of media activity. Fact remains that investigations are underway. Police is very tight-lipped about the progress of the investigation. All they have said so far is that, yes, a scuffle broke out. An intruder was Saif Ali Khan's residence. Saif Ali Khan tried to confront him. A scuffle broke out and Saif Ali Khan was injured in that scuffle and he's been hospitalized. But who this intruder is, no identity has been revealed so far by the police officials. CCTV footage apparently shows this intruder was on the 6th floor of this building. It also apparently shows that there was an intruder, alleged intruder was, found loitering around in the neighboring building as well. From there, he gained entry. A lot of versions really coming in, but the priority right now for the police is to nab this particular accused. It's been close to 10 hours since the incident happened, but no arrests have taken place. And the fact that an incident of this nature happened in a high-profile area like Bombay, like Bandra, is very, very concerning. Live close to this particular area too. Shooting incident outside his residence. There, of course, Baba Siddiqui, a murder happening not too far from here, but it happened in Bandra East. However, he was a resident of Bandra West as well. So yes, all these incidents have left Mumbai police red-faced, and residents here, concerned. They've been raising their concerns, expressing their, anxiety over all of that.
The hospital staff now speaking after Saif Ali Khan's successful surgery. The Leelavati doctors will anytime now brief the media about the surgery that took place on actor Saif Ali Khan after he was stabbed. Remember, the hospital has so far said that he was brought to the hospital at 3:30 in the night and then a surgery took place. He was stabbed brutally 6 times. One stab was close to his spine, after which a surgery had to take place, and currently Saif Ali Khan is out of danger and is admitted to the Leelavati hospital where his children are also visiting him. We saw Sara Ali Khan stepping inside the hospital. Ibrahim also is inside the hospital. Remember, he was brought to the hospital at 3:30 in the night after he was stabbed brutally by an intruder who was... Yes, let's listen into what the doctor has to say.
Saif Ali Khan was admitted in the morning. Lodged knife in the spine. Also repair the leaking spinal fluid. 2 other deep wounds on his left hand and one on the neck was repaired by plastic surgery team. The entire surgery was monitored by Dr. Srinivas Kudwa as a cardiologist because of his other condition. He is completely stable now. He is recovering well and out of danger. Thank you.